Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 from Subject Sustainable Construction Management, and we will present our report from site visit to Safa Global Ventures in Rand Berhad. Our team consists of 5 group members, which is myself, Muhammad Nisdarin bin Muhammad Shukri, Katirina Rose binti Muhammad Rizwan, Nur Farisha Idrina binti Muhammad Hafizul, Nur Zuraan binti Muhammad Zaihan, and Luqman Hakim bin Uman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present for the introductions. So, as we all know, sustainability has become a crucial focus in the construction sector. So, motivated by the necessity to tackle environmental issues like climate change, resource exhaustion, and the demand for robust infrastructure. So, to achieve this goal, our group has made a site visit to Safa Global Venture, Sedang Berhad. So the visit was conducted at SGV's Dongping location, which provided us a chance to see their operations up close and also interact with their engineering team. Moving on to the objective. So there are three main objectives for this report project. The first one is to examine method for maintaining roads, including routine, periodic, and also emergency works. Second is to analyze strategies for improving sustainability in the management of road assets. And lastly, to evaluate the SAPA Global Venture (SGV) practices with the optimal applications of sustainable and effective construction management practices.
Now I will present about a literature review. The sustainable construction is important of balancing environmental, economic and social sustainability. It's a focus on roads and slope project requiring innovative method in line with our visits project. For the sustainable material, which is recycled asphalt pavement, it reduce raw material use, project cost and emission. Other than that, permeable pavement, it manage stormwater, improve drainage and reduce thermal impacts. And low carbon concrete, it reduce cement content to lower carbon emission. For the role of technology in sustainability, it have during construction, uh, which is building information modeling (BIM). It optimize design, reduce waste, and simulates life cycle impact. Drone technology is also monitor erosion and assesses slope stability. And IoT sensor and device, it provides real-time data on damage, soil movement, and weather conditions. For the bioengineering engineering techniques, which is plant-based stabilization by use grasses, shrub, and trees to prevent erosion and restore ecological balance. By use geotextile and geogrids, it strengthens soils, allow water infiltration, and reduce landslide. For the case studies and application, the European Union by use green infrastructure with permeable pavement, low carbon material, and smart sensors. United States also use promotes recycle and renewable energy use in construction. For the challenge in sustainable practice, it's high initial cost of sustainable materials and technologies, the knowledge gaps and resistance to change in the industry, and inconsistent regulatory frameworks. For the pathway to overcome challenge, first is strong government government incentive and supportive policy. Other than that, training program for industry professionals and integration of technology and innovation for cost-effective solution.
For the next part is methodology. First, we select the company, which is Safwa Global Venture Sendirian Berhad was selected because the company demonstrated the implementation of relevant sustainability practices, particularly in construction project management. Apart from that, its location nearby around Batu Pahat facilitates the process of data collection and site visits. This company offers the opportunity to review the sustainable approaches applied in their operations. Next is fill the application for letter and submit to FCAP. The application form was filled out and sent to FCAP office to obtain permission to conduct an interview session with Safwa Global Venture. In this step, aims to obtain the information needed to analyze the company's sustainable practices and ventilation system management. Furthermore, interview sessions were conducted with engineers Mr. Zuhairi and Mr. Shahmi from Safwa Global Ventures Sdn Bhd. Each member asked questions related to sustainability management in construction. They showed us the plans, scope of work and a website to give us a clearer understanding of the project and its operations. These interviews provided qualitative data on challenges, opportunities and innovations in green building systems, contributing valuable insight for the study. Lastly, site visits were conducted at 2 locations, which is in Batu Pahat, to gain a clearer understanding of the site. The agenda of the visit included an in-depth explanation by the project manager regarding the operation of the project. During the site visit, various green building elements related to sustainability principles were observed and discussed.
Observation based on our site visit to Safwa company, specifically focus on their sustainable practice in the construction sector. Okay, let's start with the slope area project. Safwa company used cabin walls as retaining structure to prevent landslide. Cabin walls made from stick stone tied with a metal cage are both cost effective and sustainable. Since these walls utilize natural resources like stone, they can be easily sourced, reducing environmental impact. In addition to the gaping walls, the company planted grass on the road slope to prevent soil erosion. This method not only strengthened the land but also improved the aesthetic value of the road landscape, making the environmental sustainable. So next, we observe the use of system to monitor project progress in compliance. Although the current system meet basic needs, integrating real-time monitoring with AI-driven analytical could provide more insight into the resource utilization, environmental impact, and operational efficiency. Moreover, before leaving the site, Safa company conduct site clearance activities such as removing root dust and waste materials. They also reduce from work, which is a commendable effort to reduce waste. However, adopting more sustainable practice during the site clearance could further minimize the ecological impact on the environment. Finally, the company has implemented the drainage system to prevent waterlogging and maintain soil stability. While the existing system is functional, it can be further enhanced by introducing sustainable urban drainage system or SUTS. This system integrates filtration and sediment control, ensuring water quality while aligning with environmental standards. This would also help protect nearby ecosystem and maintain the natural flow of the water in the sea. So, what we can conclude that Safa company has demonstrated several commendable effort and towards sustainability. However, by adopting more advanced technology and improving their practice, they can further enhance their environment impact and operational efficiency. With this initiative, Safa can be lead as a model of sustainable construction practice.
From this site visit, we could come up with some recommendations for sustainable in construction management. First, we can use of eco-friendly product. Conventional road adhesive often use synthetic materials that can harm the environment. Many contains petroleum products which release harmful fumes and contribute to air pollution. They may also include minerals and silicon that, although effective for bonding, can negatively impact local ecosystem when they seep into soil and water. So, in this adhesive, they contain petroleum base which release harmful water vapor, contribute to pollution. We could use alternative option which is biomass-based adhesive. Other than that, the adhesive we use nowadays contains with mineral and silicon, which can lead into soil and waterways, disrupting ecosystem. We can use alternative option which is natural mineral-based adhesive. And the third ingredient or materials that are used in adhesive nowadays is synthetic polymers. These synthetic polymers is non-biodegradable, contributes to landfill waste, which we can use alternative option which is biodegradable polymer alternatives. By changing to the eco-friendly road adhesive, which contains with natural minerals such as lignin and fiberboard, we can reduce reliance on synthetic substance. Other than that, we can reduce harmful chemical by minimizing of phenol and formulation. It is safer for users and the environment. Other than that, we could support the policies advocating for regulation on sustainable adhesive, which can encourage the industry-wide adoption of eco-friendly practice. Second recommendation that we could suggest to interpret in this construction is by using a low emission equipment. Construction nowadays is considered a hard to abate sectors. Emission from sourcing materials, logistic and construction activities known as embodied carbon make up to over 16% of global CO2 emission. Therefore, it is vital for the construction industry to pursue decarbonization strategies. Low emission machinery, including electric and hybrid system, can significantly reduce this emission, with electric excavator and hybrid loaders cutting carbon output by up to 15% compared to their diesel counterparts. Additionally, using low emission equipment improves air quality and construction sites, a vital consideration in urban areas where construction activities can contribute to smoke and respiratory problems for workers and nearby residents. Utilizing low emission equipment is a vital component of sustainable construction practice by reducing greenhouse gas emission, improving air quality, ensuring compliance with regulation, and potentially lowering operational costs. Construction companies can make significant strides towards sustainability. In conclusion, our study of sustainable practices at Safwa Global Ventures Sdn Bhd highlights the importance of environmental responsibility in construction. Our site visit and interviews reveal SGB's commitment to sustainable road management through innovative materials and techniques that reduce ecological impact while improving infrastructural durability. SGB's practices such as using gabion wall for slope stabilization and vegetation to prevent soil erosion demonstrate how sustainability can be effectively integrated into construction. Their strong project monitoring system further enhance efficiency and compliance with environmental standards. As the construction industry evolves, adopting this sustainable method is crucial for tackling climate change and resource depletion. Stakeholders should prioritize innovation and collaboration to promote eco-friendly practices. Ultimately, this commitment to sustainable will benefit the environment and ensure resilient infrastructure for future generations.